Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So in this video, I'm going to show you some steps that you need to follow. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat, and you need to update your application. As you can see, my app is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for Snapchat. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to open any browser to check if Snapchat down. Click on that, and here you can see if there is a major spike here, so it means that Snapchat is down, and you need to wait because the Snapchat team is working on that. But if it is there, it is like this, so there is no issue. So you need to follow all other steps that I mentioned, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.